Hello again, people of the internet, and thank you so much for joining me. You might be wondering why I am the way that I am right now, and I ask myself that question a lot too, but I am laying on my dining room table because I am going to show you what I am bringing with me to Peru and explain to you why I chose what I did. Also, look at the extremes that I had to go through to be able to do it the way that I wanted without the equipment that I need. Fun stuff. Anyways, let's stop fucking around and get right into it. Step 1. Grab your favorite bottle of wine and pour yourself a glass. Step number 2, grab your bag. As you can see, this is my favorite one. You can tell by the fact that it is so dirty. I love it because it opens up like so, and it's the perfect carry-on size. I have never had to check it against my will, and so it has been my favorite for the past 3 years. Where's the camera? Now first, let's talk about the clothes that I am going to bring with me to Lima, where it's going to be warm, and I plan to be on somebody's beach drinking some cocktails. I will have with me 2 pairs of shorts, 3 comfortable lightweight shirts, only my bathing suit top because I don't think that I will be swimming, and a quick dry microfiber towel. I'm not the best at rolling clothes, even though you think I would be because I had a lot of practice right out of high school, but I make do. I always also bring a button-up with me because I hate wearing sunscreen, and if I plan to go to the beach or anywhere really, I use this rather than sunscreen to keep my skin safe from the sun. Also, it works good as just a regular shirt. You can tie it up and roll up the sleeves, and really it's good for any occasion. Since it's kind of big and bulky though, I probably will wear it on the plane. Now let's get into what I am bringing with me to Cusco and what I think I will need to be ready for hiking on all those mountains, especially the Rainbow Mountain, which is 17,000 feet in elevation. So, obviously, layers, 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 and layers. You can't forget to have layers for your bum, too. So, I have thermal pants to go underneath my regular pants, which I am bringing 2 of. And you can't forget your jammies. I typically put my heavier stuff on the bottom, like my shorts and stuff. I don't typically roll those because I feel like it takes up the same amount of space either way, but you do whatever you want. I just stuff them at the bottom, like so. Now that I am looking at all my clothes, I feel like I have too much stuff, but I'm gonna try to stuff it all in there and see how much room I have left, and if there is not enough, then I will have to make some executive decisions and cut some shit out. So just keep on going. Stuff everything in as tightly as you can. Actually, I think that looks pretty freaking good. And I can stick my in-flight baggie right on top. Also, I have my little Ipsy baggie that I'm going to put right up at the top so I can reach it easily when it's time to go through security checkpoint. Another Ipsy baggie with 10 pairs of panties. I've got 2 pairs of wool socks and 2 pairs of black socks for gallivanting around town. We just gonna stuff those right in there and there. Alright, well that looks pretty good to me for the inside, so let's zip this sucker up. So let's move on to the second compartment. This is where you keep things like your laptop and all of the things that you want to be easily accessible. For instance, an adapter. I don't think that I am going to need one in Peru, but I am going to bring it anyway because you can never be so sure. I don't really have a whole lot of devices that I bring with me at the moment, so I just need charging cords for my phone, my Kindle, and my laptop. I also always bring a plastic baggie with me, and that is for my dirty laundry, so I can keep it separate from my other clothes. Pretty simple, right? Well, now that I'm actually closing it up and trying to, getting a gauge for how big it actually is, I'm thinking I will need to take a few things out. That's okay. I don't mind. But we'll do that part another time. I still have a week before I leave, and I'm sure I will change my mind 100 times. Now let's move on to my in-flight baggie. I just bought this bad boy today, and I am pretty happy with it. I think that it's going to be perfect for hiking and just walking around the city and things of that nature. So, cross my fingers. Hopefully I don't get robbed. I'll probably just keep it to the front of me. Anyways, in here, I guess I can take this tag off. Ow. Kind of hurt a little bit. All right. In here, I will keep a water bottle. Whoop. Don't fill it up until after you go past security. My inflatable pillow. Also, this little baggie that I keep feminine products and medicines in. Can't you tell? Doesn't he look like he has feminine issues? Well, she has feminine issues. Lying in a puddle of... Anyways, that goes in the bag. I also have aspirins and stuff for your tummy in there. Everything that you might need while you're flying. Headphones! Backup charger, and the adapter that goes with it. Also, chapstick. This little thing that is supposed to be a case for my lavalier, but instead I use it for my monies and stuff. And that's about it. This bag is pretty much going to be my everything while I am gone. I am going to use it for a purse, I'm going to use it while I'm hiking, and I'm going to use it as my in-flight baggie. So I'm excited to see how it fares and let you guys know what I think. So that video was a lot more difficult than I thought it was going to be. I feel like I forgot a lot of stuff, but the only thing I can think about right now is my razor. So I don't know, I guess I'll fucking find out when I get to Peru. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this super long packing video. I wanted to make it super short, but I don't think you can really do that when you're talking about everything that you are packing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Next week, I am going to talk about the final things that I think about before I leave to go away. And guess what, guys? I only have 8 more days. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. If you enjoyed this video and have the desire to see more, be sure to hit subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my other social medias. I hope to see y'all next Wednesday. Toodaloo, motherfucker.